Hello everyone, I'm Daniel Ayling and welcome to our second Clearvision news video. We've attended a lot of exciting events recently, the first one being Dreamforce in San Francisco. If you were there, you might have met Clearvision CEO Jerry Toombs, who stood at the Maven Link stand. It was a brilliant event and we hope you all had as much fun as the exhibitors. To add to the positivity, we're offering a free Atlassian workshop led by an experienced solution architect and certified Atlassian consultant to everybody who attended. Get in touch to find out more. Following on from this, the IPexpo was yet another success. If you attended, you would have seen us at the Atlassian stand this year in London. Thank you to everyone who attended and took the time to come over and talk to us. We appreciate every single one of you. I'm sure you'd all agree it was great learning about how the hottest new technologies can help us build more scalable, agile and efficient IT. And on to the most recent event we attended, the National DevOps Conference. This event was all about the professional movement and its cultural variations that help promote and guide a collaborative working relationship between development and operations. I think I speak for everyone when I say we are provided with invaluable information led by industry speakers in presentations and workshops, all of which allowed us to see the latest products and services available on the market. The countdown is now on for the itSMF event, set to take place on the 19th and 20th of November in central London. We're very excited for this one because they're shaking things up from the traditional conference format this year to bring us even more learning and networking opportunities, which is fantastic. You can expect to hear from a mixture of keynote speakers covering a variety of topics. Go to whichever one suits your needs, there'll be plenty to choose from. Make sure to stop by our stand, we'd love to talk to you. In other news, Slack has announced it's buying Astro, the popular AstroBot plugin, which allows users to check their email and calendar directly from within Slack. Also known for its AI algorithms and expertise in email infrastructure, Slack aims to make email functionality easier in its collaboration hub by connecting email and calendars with channels and teams. Elsewhere, the Makers Academy has launched a free programming guide and apprenticeship scheme in an attempt to convince more women to consider a career in coding. This comes after an increasing gender gap in the tech centre, so I think we can all agree this is brilliant news. There's a lot of exciting things happening at the moment within the tech industry. We at Clearvision look forward to what the future holds. Before we wrap up, let's go over to Lewis, who's going to give you the latest on our upcoming podcast with Zephyr.
Hello everyone, I'm delighted to announce our latest podcast with Zephyr, as Dan just said, which is around getting out of Excel for test case management. We're going to be joined by Mark Ray on the podcast, so be sure to check that out.
Thank you for watching.
And don't forget to like, comment, subscribe and listen to the podcast.